5 हीरोज हैं और आप एक अकेली लीडिंग लेडी है, तो आपको कैसा लगा इन 5 हीरोज के साथ काम करके?
In fact, we were just discussing that backstage.
Really?
Just before we walked on, he said, "You must be loving it, na, that you're the only woman and you're surrounded by 5 handsome hunks."
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I was telling him that it makes me feel really special. It makes me feel like they've taken such good care of me. They've always like been so protective and so caring and like always put me first before anything else.
अच्छा, ये सच्ची जवाब है, क्योंकि जहां तक हमने सुना है अभिषेक इज अ ब्रैट और वो किसी का ख्याल नहीं रखते, ही ओनली पुल्स प्रैंक्स। ये बात सच है कि नहीं? वो सिर्फ मस्ती करते थे।
I want to clear this, you know, अभिषेक जो हैं
हाँ जी, सबसे मस्तीखोर है।
मेक श्योर करते हैं कि दीपिका को हमेशा खाना मिलता रहे। ही इज आवर
And
मेन
vice
शेफ
versa,
एंड वाइस
okay?
वर्सा।
ओके,
He's the head of food and catering.
And I'm head of feeding.
And feeding. She feeds. सोनू हमारे बॉडीगार्ड है। दीपिका को कोई देख नहीं सकता।
अच्छा,
हम लोग भी जो हैं डार्क ग्लासेस पहन कर आते हैं। आपने देखा होगा जब हम जा रहे थे तो बोमन झोली चुके हैं, उनके दुपट्टे को उठाकर चल रहे थे कि उनके पैर में ना आ जाए।
अच्छा,
He's a man Friday. And Vivan is the jester. He's the punching bag. जब भी दीपिका गुस्सा होती हैं अपनी किसी चीज पर वो विवान को बुलाकर मारती हैं। मेरी वो फिल्म का ना वो डायलॉग अच्छा नहीं लगा मुझको, विवान वहां पे आ जाता है। मुझे और फारा को वो कुछ कह नहीं सकते क्योंकि हमारे साथ शुरुआत थी, तो हमको प्यार ही करती है वो। हम दोनों को कुछ नहीं कहती।
Most of the time I used to cut Deepika's scene, so I got to spend time with the 5 boys.
ये हुई ना बात, एक बार जोरदार तालियां गाइस, कम ऑन फॉर द होल कास्ट ऑफ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
खान साहब, ट्रेलर लॉन्च भी था, काफ़ी वाहवाही हुई, हर तरफ तालियां बजी, हिट्स आए। आज ये बेहतरीन सा लॉन्च था, किसका दिमाग था ये, किसके दिमाग की उपज थी कि इतना ग्रैंड लॉन्च होने वाला है, इवन पूरा विश्व देख रहा है आज का म्यूजिक लॉन्च?
आई थिंक जब बहुत सारे लोग जैसे हम सब यहाँ पर हैं और टीम भी है जो बैक स्टेज है, सब इकट्ठे होते हैं, एकत्रित होते हैं एक ऐसी फिल्म के लिए, तो एक खुशी का माहौल होता है। And every evening when we have a function like this, whether it was the trailer launch or the music launch, let me honestly tell you, हम 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि फिल्म हमारे हाथ से अब जा रही है, आप लोगों के पास आ रही है।
I am very sad today. I'm
Yeah,
going to cry
she's been
any
telling
minute.
कि मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे, मैं रोऊंगी स्टेज पे। So it's the celebration of what we've done for 2 years. The process has been most beautiful, and we try to actually, let me be honest, we are all together. It is for all of us to have a good evening. And it is for all of us to let go of something which is very special to us. फिल्म कैसी होगी, कहाँ जाएगी, वो अल्लाह मियाँ के हाथ में and audience के हाथ में. But we feel that every aspect of this film will just go out and be nice. So I want to thank our producers, Kareem and Karuna, who worked very hard for this. Cineyog, everyone. You know, every time we just want to celebrate letting
our
out a little
digital
bit of our
team.
film. And our digital team, Manish and all who worked this out.
Our PR, Mandvi.
सारे thank कर ले अभी.
And I want to thank Shahrukh because really when I asked him कि हम इतनी publicity हमें करने की शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है, he said ज़रूरत नहीं है, but we want to do it from our heart so we get more and more occasions to be together and to celebrate this movie together. So we are doing it because we want to be together. Hi Bharti.
Hi Farah. Well, congratulations to all of you for a spectacular launch. Wanted to ask you, you worked with Nasir in your first directorial film.
Yes.
You've got Vivan now.
Yes.
What was it like? Did you see a little bit of the father and the son?
I have taken out, but Nasir bullied me a lot when we were shooting Mehuna. Because it was my first film, so he used to bully me a lot. Let's say I've taken out all that bhadas on Vivan this time. No, but really they are completely different people. I mean, I also worked with Nasir when he was much senior, and this is Vivan's second movie. And he's just such a wonderfully clean-hearted and good boy. I don't think he has one negative thought in his head. I don't think he has dialogues in his head also when he comes on set. But, but I think it was for me, I mean, of course, working with Nasir was great. But I think really, I was happier working with Vivan.
Hello, Shahrukh.
Vivan!
Hi. Congratulations. Really like the Radhe Radhe song the most.
Thank you.
And I think it'll do very well in the Garba season. So
In
yeah,
the
so
where?
yeah. The Garba season.
In the Garba season, okay.
Not Dandiya, Garba.
When is Garba season? We better release that song next.
So yeah, so your association with Sukhwinder dates right back from Chaiya Chaiya, and I think it's a 100% record because this song should also do really well. So could you talk something about that? Hole Hole, Chaya Chaya, Darde Disco, now this.
More than that, I'd like to talk about Radhe Radhe. I think Sukhwinder Saab is a very special singer. We all love him. I think he's got a very special voice. I saw him recording. I normally don't go for recordings. I'm musically tone deaf. One night, for Chalte Chalte, I think he was singing a song. One of the few singers I've seen who sings the song in one go. Or ऐसा mic के सामने, ऐसा आगे पीछे. He's an amazing performer, amazing singer. And Radhe Radhe is basically Abhishek's song, his introduction, and has a very special place in the film because all of us, for the first time in the film, kind of come together and win in our lives. So it's an amazing, celebrative, happy song, and I think nobody better than Sukhwinder Saab. And yes, I'll say it again, whether it's Chaiya Chaiya, whether it is Kuch Kariye, Darde Disco. I mean, he's I don't know.
completely mad, and which is
Mad,
why
yeah.
I love using him. And like Shahrukh said, one of the few singers I actually go for the recording, and I'm there throughout the whole day because he goes completely mad while singing, and
I think
he
he's
does things
completely
to the
marvelous.
song that you can't record, like you can't compose it. He just does it.
And not just for our songs, I think any song that Sukhwinder Saab sings, it can't go wrong. He's fantastic because he does it from the heart.
Hi, Shahrukh. Hi, Shahrukh. Lipika here. You're proceeding for your show, Slam show. So, क्या उसमें कौन से dances करने वाले? Are you beginning with Happy New Year and other films also?
नहीं, हम लोगों ने सबने डिसाइड किया है कि हम सारी टीम जा रही है हैप्पी न्यू ईयर की, तो हम उसमें से 2-3 गाने ज़रूर करेंगे. आई थिंक लवली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है. आई थिंक हमारा इंडिया वाले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सॉन्ग है. मन वाला आगे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अपना राधे राधे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. उसको करेंगे, लेकिन वर्ल्ड टूर है और हम चाहेंगे कि जितने भी एक्टर्स यहाँ पर हैं उनके सबसे फेमस गाने, सबसे अच्छे गाने हम शोकेस करें कि लोगों को एंटरटेनमेंट मिले. इट्स नॉट अ सेल्फिश शो फॉर हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, but it just happens to be the Happy New Year team, which is, as a matter of fact, we are going to do the Dhoom song also. And अगर मुझे दीपिका अलाउ करेगी तो दिल्ली वाली गर्लफ्रेंड भी करूँगा मैं थोड़ा सा. मैं दिल्ली वाला हूँ तो if she, I've been requesting her, allow me to do it. So we'll do all the songs that all of us have done because we are a team which is very happy, wanting to be part of each other's lives, each other's profession, each other's high points. And I think that's why the tour is going to be a very happy one.
Farah, back to that question, why Happy New Year was delayed by 10 years?
Yeah, Jyoti, I don't know. So many things happened after Main Hoon Na. I got married, then I wrote some other version of it, and we didn't like it. So then we made Om Shanti Om. After that, I had children. So it just went on. I think a movie has its destiny and a time, and only when that time comes, the movie gets made. And I'm glad that it's being made today because I don't think 10 years ago it would have been made on this scale, with this grandeur, with the kind of production value that Shah Rukh's Red Chillies has put in it. So I think this is the right time for Happy New Year to come out.
Farah, tell the truth, actually, at that time, Vivan was not born.
Yes, that too.
And Vivan wasn't born and Boman wasn't young enough that time, so we were just waiting for him to.